There's been a lot of news surrounding San Diego Comic-Con 2023's lack of panels and presentations due to the current turmoil in Hollywood, but the gaming side of things seems to be going full steam ahead. There will be plenty of gaming-related content at this year's SDCC, and Mortal Kombat fans in particular have something notable to look forward to. The official Mortal Kombat Twitter account has confirmed that there will be a Mortal Kombat 1 panel at this year's SDCC. The panel, titled Resetting Mortal Kombat: A New Beginning with Mortal Kombat 1, will take place on July 21st Cent, 2023 at 3:15 p.m. PT and will run an hour long. While specifics on the panel outside of the Mortal Kombat 1 discussion were not shared, the official tweet did tease that this panel will be one fans won't want to miss. We will keep an eye on the panel for any all announcements and make sure to bring them to you.